Hello YouTube, this is Now from DaretoBeCreative. How you guys doing this morning? And I am here with a project share. Two little quick cards that I wanted to share that I had to make for some family members for some events. One, my cousin's daughter graduated. I always say my niece, but she's technically my second cousin, but my niece graduated from college and her bachelor's in mathematics. So plus she just crossed over in sorority, so her colors are red and white. You can figure out which sorority that is. Anyway, she so I just want to make her a little quick card and put some money in there for her, because of course that's what every graduating student wants, is cash. So this was a quick card, and this was just done with an embossing folder. I believe it was Princess by Cuttlebug, and then I stamped on the inside with the May stamp. It says congratulations. It says a message telling someone you are happy for their success, and then I just put some little red bling on it. And on the inside is another May stamp that says dream, a strongly desired goal or purpose, which I'm talking about her reaching her dreams. So just a quick different type of graduation card that I made, and this is a 5 by 6.5, and made the envelope as well on my Rare Keepers memory board. Then I had an anniversary card that I was making for my mom and stepdad, and this was made by several dies. This is a 5 by 7, so this back here is a is that a Spellbinders? Yep, that's the Spellbinders, I think, lattice die. This is a Doris trellis die. The love is punched out twice. It's punched out in white and in silver metallic paper, wedding paper, from when I was doing those wedding invitations. So that is a EK Success punch that says love. And then this vine, did it on the wrong side. This vine is also Doris. So this trellis and this vine are Doris dies. And then this background one, which is on foam dots, and then at each corner is just a little bling, make it look like a little silver in there. That is of course some little rhinestones, and so that's the Spellbinder, and then the rest are Doris dies, and then that is a EK Success punch. And then on the inside I stamped out another May Made It stamps. If I didn't say that, these are all May stamps that I use up here. This one says love, and I'm gonna write in here as well. It says love is patient, kind, it doesn't envy or boast, it isn't proud, it does not dishonor others, it is not self-seeking, is not easily angered, keeps no record of wrongs, does not delight in evil, but rejoices with the truth, always protects, always trusts, always hopes, always perseveres, love never fails. So of course that's from 1 Corinthians 13. I'm so used to the King James version of it, but anyway. And then I put an additional the little ivy in here as well from that Doris die, and so it's just all white on white. And made that card, the envelope 5 by 7 as well, off the We Are Memory Keepers board. So just want to share that real quick with you guys, and hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. Thank you. Bye-bye.